Hi, Julie Gibbons here from tractorgirl.com.au, and today I'm going to show you how to get a transparent background on your image. And that's really useful if you have a logo and for whatever reason it has a white background on it and you want to get rid of it, because if you have that shape, that color on a transparent background, you can plonk it onto anything and it will still look good. Having it sitting on a white background, plonking it onto a colored photograph just looks boxy and yuck. So you want it on a transparent background. I'll share my screen and I'll show you how to do it in Pixlr.com. Right, so I already have an image that I want to get rid of. Sorry, not what I want to get rid of the white background. So we go in here and we can pick up an image. And if we want to get rid of the white background, we need to select this wand tool here, and then you click on the areas you want to get rid of. So and I do this because it's easier to click on the white areas than it is to try and click on the colored areas. We'll get to that in a minute. So we click on all the white areas, and to select several white areas, you have to hold down the Shift key, and you can see there's a little plus sign below the wand. So you just click on all of them, make sure you've got all the white areas selected. Okay, they're all done. Now, you need to, what we want to do is lift off that flower picture and plonk it onto a transparent background. So to do that, we need to invert the image. So go into Edit and Invert Selection. And instead of having the white areas selected, then it will have the colored photo selected. Okay, so what we need to do now is Control-C to copy it and put it on the clipboard. Then we don't need that anymore. We create a new image that is the clipboard. Create image from clipboard, yes, and a transparent background. Okay, that's all we need to do. It's already there. Now all we need to do is save it as a PNG. So we go into Save, and don't save as a JPEG because it will compress the file and give you a white background again. So we've just got rid of it. We need to save it as a PNG. They're one of the few file types that will preserve a transparent background. Okay, so we've got the PNG file, and that's all we need to do. Okay, that's all for today, and I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you got some useful information out of that, and I shall see you next time. You can find me at tractorgirl.com.au. See ya!